How to change a WPF DataGrid layout to a card view style. WPF, Windows Presentation Foundation, is a powerful framework for building Windows applications with rich user interfaces. One of the most commonly used WPF controls is the DataGrid, which provides a way to display and work with tabular data. However, there may be times when you want to display your data in a different format, such as a card view layout, to enhance the visual appeal and user experience of your application. This guide will guide you on how to change a WPF DataGrid layout to a card view style. Why use card view layout? A card view layout presents data items as individual cards, each showcasing a unique piece of information. This is particularly useful for displaying data in a more visually engaging manner, such as in dashboards, user profiles, and product listings. The card view format allows users to quickly scan through the information and interact with it more intuitively. Setting up your environment. Before we start, ensure you have the necessary tools and libraries. Visual Studio or any WPF-supported IDE. WPF Toolkit if you need additional controls. Step-by-step guide. 1. Create a WPF project. Start by creating a new WPF project in Visual Studio. Add a data grid to your window or user control where you want to display the card view layout. Two. Modify the data grid control. To transform the data grid to a card view layout, we need to modify the item template. Here's an example of how to define the data grid to display card-like items. Three. Customizing the appearance. You can further customize the appearance by changing the border style, adjusting margin and padding, modifying text block properties to better fit your design. 4. Binding data. Ensure your data grid is bound to a data source. Here's an example using a basic data context. Five. Running the application. Run the application, and you should see the data grid displaying its items in a card view layout. Conclusion. Styling a WPF data grid to a card view layout can significantly enhance the user experience by presenting data in a more visually appealing manner. With the steps outlined in this post, you can easily transform your data grid to suit your application's design needs. Happy coding!